The Motorola Edge 30 Pro is the first smartphone in the new Edge 30 series to launch in India. Motorola seems to have gone all out with this one, packing powerful hardware into it. However, it's quite a bit more expensive than the popular Edge 20 Pro was last year. Priced at 49,999 rupees in India, it will go up against the new iQOO 9 series and several other upcoming premium smartphones. Here's a quick look at the new Edge 30 Pro. The Motorola Edge 30 Pro sports a massive 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a maximum refresh rate of 144Hz. Motorola has added stereo speakers into the mix, which will improve the overall content watching experience. The Edge 30 Pro has a glass back that makes it feel premium in the hand. However, the plastic frame feels like an odd ingredient in an otherwise premium dish. Oh, and before I forget, the 196-gram weight of the Edge 30 Pro is definitely noticeable, and its IP52 rated body is splash resistant. With the design covered, let's dive into what makes the Motorola Edge 30 Pro noteworthy. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC is powering this smartphone, and it's amongst the most powerful SoCs in the market today, and can handle any game out there. The Edge 30 Pro packs in a 4800 mAh battery and has support for 68-watt fast charging. Motorola also ships a compatible charger in the box. The company has launched only one configuration of the Motorola Edge 30 Pro with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It runs Android 12 with Motorola's custom MyUX skin on top. The company promises Android 13 and Android 14 updates for the Edge 30 Pro. Motorola has gone for high-resolution camera sensors all around. The phone sports a triple camera setup at the back, consisting of a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, it sports a 60-megapixel shooter on the front. Overall, the Motorola Edge 30 Pro sports flagship-grade hardware and offers near-stock Android. Will it appeal to those looking for performance on a budget? Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for the full review coming soon.